All right, hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host Tone Vays. Coming to you live way later than I should. It's just a crazy long day at my friend's office. Everyone's already gone, just the cleaning staff. So yeah, finally got a chance to do a stream. Here we go. Let's look at the charts. I gotta run off to dinner, so this is going to be a very short stream. I gotta make sure that I'm streaming. I am. Okay. Let's go to the charts. I know I'm in Costa Rica. I'm not going to get to see any sites. I'm not going to get to go on vacation, unfortunately. So just work. All right. So here is that monthly chart. As you guys know, I have been saying for a long time now that I expect this month to be the low in the price of Bitcoin. What I don't know is whether that low is going to be down in the $10,000 range, or this month will simply be another one of these candles with a lower monthly close, or the lows are already in and we're about to rebound. Now, today was a super interesting day. We rallied super hard and it looks incredible, except when you zoom out, it actually looks like nothing happened. So let's go and take a look. Here's the weekly chart, and the weekly chart has us potentially moving back and back testing what is now going to be tougher resistance to cross, because it'll be two different moving averages on the weekly scale. Let me pull out the live chat. Where do I even have the live chat? Okay, there it is. Okay. This is our allocation chart. Wow, as you can see, at one point on this 4-day chart, we were sitting at the second lowest price on any single candle in this downtrend. And today, everything suddenly reversed. I do not have a good explanation for anyone as to why we suddenly reversed. I'm not going to make one up. I have no idea. There were numerous global events in the last 24 hours. Ukraine is kicking Russia's ass in Ukraine for the last 3 days. The Queen has passed away, happened while I was on my flight to Costa Rica. The US government announced that they're considering and planning to make proof of work illegal. I'm not surprised at all. If you go back to my 2014 writings and even interviews, I've always said that the United States will consider Bitcoin public enemy number one. It would be like the terrorist war on terrorism and war on drugs combined. And America may try to do a war on Bitcoin. And of course, Ethereum is pro-government, and they are going to be, hey, we're the friendly chain. We just eliminated our mining on our own. The US government may put in a restriction on proof of work mining. I would not be surprised. The US politicians always, drool at the mouth of how powerful the Chinese politicians are and how they're able to control the Chinese population based on what they say. And the US politicians are taking notes, and they would love to have the similar control over their populations. The same way China controls their population. So none of this is surprising at all. I'm not going to sit here and say that I know exactly why this went up. Maybe too many people were short, not enough. Everyone that wanted to sell had already sold. Maybe way too many people were short and there was just nobody left to sell. Or someone that can move the market decided to go stop loss hunting. And here we are. Does this change anything on a daily scale? The answer is no, it doesn't. Because we're still inside this channel. We have not even broken the 50-period moving average yet. This changes nothing other than, move this over a little bit. Maybe because of this, the fall may not be as deep. Maybe I should raise this up a little bit. It doesn't change anything. Now, if we can maintain this consolidation into November, then we can talk about something like this, for example, right? If let's say we rally and move into the 128-day moving average and then fall back and then hit 15, then hit 19K again, and then go up and then go down. If we can consolidate and frustrate people for, for a while, then we may avoid the catastrophic fall of below 17.5. For now, until we can rally back above all three of these moving averages, I'm not interested in any bullish positions. Okay, it's been enough fake outs already. So not much is really changing. We rallied right here. I don't know what happened at 2300. I was asleep. I was done. I'm in Costa Rica. It's not on East Coast time. I was exhausted. I needed like 12 hours of sleep last night. So I was out. I did not see this at all. So I think I went to sleep right around here, right around there. And I think I woke up right around, well, like here. Like I woke up, it was already too late. It was like, okay, I missed it. This is why my current #1 job is not to actively trade. It is to organize an incredible event in Bali, which is less than 2 months away. So if you are a trader or an investor or anything to do with finance, come and join us at the Financial Summit in Bali. All right, I got 4 minutes. And then I promised I'm meeting like 12 people for dinner tonight. Apparently, there's a lot of people in Costa Rica that are familiar with my work. So I can't wait to go meet new people. It's one of the most fun things I do as I travel. Still got room for like 1 or 2 for dinner. I know someone hit me up on Instagram, but never followed up. We got a seat for you, brother. You just gotta message me again. All right, nothing really, not much else to say. The stock market has, of course, rallied. You can see the correlation. Bitcoin started going up here on the 7th of September. So did the stock market. Stock market went up again. Bitcoin had a bit of a doji green candle. And then boom, today Bitcoin exploded. The stock market did okay. Guys, remember, I am still a stock market bull. I'm a stock market bull. Therefore, I am expecting the stock market to rally. I mean, the stock market rally could potentially allow the Democrats to win both, chambers of Congress, which would be bad, but at least the stock market would be up, right? There's no such thing as perfection. So there you go. And so I am expecting the stock market to rise, and therefore Bitcoin to rise as well. I'm not going to talk about gold or silver today, so we're done with that. And that's pretty much it. The dollar fell a little bit today. Didn't fall that much. So I saw my messages, people like, oh, the dollar crashed, therefore the stock market went up. Not really. The dollar didn't really crash. I mean, the dollar was at a lower price like 2 days ago. It was at a lower price yesterday, for God's sake. Okay, oh, so 1 week, sorry. So lower price last week. On a daily scale, the dollar was, well, relative to right now, right? I mean, the dollar was at a lower price last week. So what's the big deal? Tone, do you think there's a flight to quality because of the Ethereum merge? No. Yeah, well, yes and no. Probably no. because all the Ethereum people are happy that there'll be less Ethereum coming into existence, so they think that the price of Ethereum will rise. And also, why would they do it in one day? Why would they do it a coordinated effort? Right now, it could be one Ethereum guy. Like, you guys have to remember that there are people in Ethereum, there are billionaires holding Ethereum. And maybe one of those guys is like, you know what, screw this, I'm just gonna exit Ethereum. But I haven't seen any proof of this. Like, I'm sure there is some exchanges that show you volume between Ethereum and Bitcoin. But I don't know. All right. On this note, I am off to dinner. I'm meeting a bunch of people there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll try to do a longer stream tomorrow. Tomorrow, I believe, is Saturday. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.